This is the HEV. Look at these, man. These things are nice. Look at this. These are nice, dude. This is the Hummer EV. Look how big the tires are on this thing. So what's it even go for? You might have to get one of these. So this is the truck bed. It's a Hummer. But this is the problem, dude. Look at that. As is, no dealer warranty. It's nice though. Dude, this is an EV too? Sierra EV? Jeez. Man, EV, look at this. What is this? This is the Cadillac. This is an EV also. Man, these EVs, the EV market is picking up.